Okay, more eBay crap. Got 3 more big boxes showed up today. Not sure what they are. Alright, let's see what we got here. Start a little small stuff. Nice and light. My knife was cutting it. Till it didn't. Still can't tell what it is. Like some kind of a badge, maybe? Too much plastic. Can you tell what that is? Oh, I can tell what it is now. I recognize this part right here. It's a panhead part. Oh, great damage. Fender hinge for a rear fender. Stock Harley one. So these fit 30s on up. These you added this clip some in the later ones, like in the definitely the 50s. To start adding stuff like this in there to hold the wire in there. So this is your hinge for your rear fender. So the way you know it's original is you got 3 narrow ones, you got 2 big fat ones in the middle. So whenever you see the 2 wide ones, you know it's a Harley part. If they're all 5 are the same, which would be these 3 and those 2, reproduction all day long. So the rest of the fender looks pretty close most of the time. If you put an original hinge on it, the fender looks original, you go from a $100 fender to a $1,000 fender. Because most everything else looks the same. But anyway, that's what that is. So that's for your big twins, 45s, they're all the same thing. Pretty much. So this is your 50s and up style version. The older ones have more stuff to come out the backside for the tombstone lights and the old beehive lights. Stuff like that. They got different things down the backside. So, alright, so this one here, I'm not sure what side this is. If I had to guess, I would say it was probably the fender side, but not sure. But rear fender hinge.